Good morning. Time to quack for your life. That was stupid. Good morning. Ugh. Good morning. Oh, my voice. What the fuck are we listening to? Alexa. Good morning. Yoo-hoo. Ow. Fuck. Good morning. Hi. Good morning. Boom, boom, boom. Hi, sunshine sparkle faces. It's me, Mother Sparkles. Good morning. I don't have any makeup on, hence why I'm hiding behind a blue mask because I'm insecure AF. But today's April 1st. No April Fool's jokes today, bitch. Like, I'm not having it. The reason why I was kind of like low and depressed yesterday was because I think it was people were saying how, you know, this whole quarantine thing was going to be over by April 1st. But girl, nothing is back to normal. We're gonna be like this for another like few months. So I think I've fully accepted it. Like, this is gonna be our life. We're gonna be really close and you're gonna see a lot of me and in my real natural habitat. So get comfortable. I did vow to make videos for you guys every single day because I know that quarantine can get boring, and honestly, this is the only thing that's making me sane right now is to film and spend my time editing. So I don't think about what's happening, the fact that I'm like trapped at home. So yesterday I read your assumptions about me, and today I'm gonna be reading some of your darkest and deepest secrets while I cook breakfast. We're having eggs, sausages, and a strawberry smoothie. Nothing too big. I'm still kind of full, but yeah, let's get cracking, shall we? Oh yeah, I changed the set a bit. I put some plants and my humidifier. I like to turn on the humidifier every single morning, water my plants. That's like my morning ritual. But yeah, first, hold on. Don't you be judging me. Just a little bit, just to kick my morning. Just a little bit, just like a little bit. But like with, like watered down with apple juice. Like a mimosa, but not a mimosa. There you go. Now this is what you call a good morning. Cheers to quarantine forever. It's the end of the world. Not a secret, but fantasy to have threesome with 2 boys and me. Yes! I love that. We love a good threesome. Cheers to that. Not totally secret. Some people found out, but I did porn when I was younger. Broke now and considering doing something similar to get out of shitty home situation. Vancouver rent. Woo, girl. Okay, wow, this is getting really real. I don't judge anybody's hustle. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. I'm not condoning it, but like, it's your life. These are decisions that you make for yourself, so do what you gotta do, girl. Ah! Hold up. No. Voila. I love a good sunny side up. How do you like your eggs? Oh my God, I'm screaming. Oh my God. Okay, so this one says, I have masturbated seeing your photos countless times. A BJ from you would be a dream come true. I'm deceased. Thank you. I guess like, oh, I don't like this one. This is very triggering, but I'm gonna say it anyways. This is a very serious one. I've been raped by both of my exes, but since I grew up with a violent father who said the abuse was how he showed me he loved me, I can't help but think that my exes just loved me. That is heartbreaking. I have goosebumps. I'm so sorry. That's very triggering also. This got so dark so quickly. Praying for you, sis. Love you. Next one is my labia minora are uneven and it makes me insecure to have sex. Girl, I feel you on this one. I can relate. I think a lot of people are insecure about their private parts, especially women, but also men as well. So I understand where you're coming from. Oh my God, the tea is hot. I am married for 8 years with the man. Everyone thinks I'm straight, but I'm not. Girl, I'm shook. Are you pulling a Caitlyn Jenner on all of us? Maybe ask your man if he wants to have a threesome with another woman. That way you could enjoy it as well, maybe. All right, so we have our strawberry, and then we're gonna add some Body Energy Club Clean Isolate Vanilla Protein. Just a little bit. I love this stuff. But then, what's it called? I'm gonna put a lot of sugar. I know it kind of defeats the purpose, but I love sugar. Sugar, sugar, how you get so fly. Like that much sugar. Oh my God, that's a lot. In my other video, I told you guys that I love this seasoning salt. It's my favorite seasoning of all times. So I'm gonna add this into my eggs and it's gonna taste delicious. It's time to blend. Okay guys, I think it's ready now, so. Okay. Oh my god, I can't open it. Okay, got it. Oh, I thought my friend's dad was hot, so no judgment, girl. Absolutely no judgment. I find daddies so hot. Like, I call them DILFs. Like, oh, daddy, I've been a very naughty girl. I'm in love with your feet. Okay, well, thank you. Do you want my PayPal address? I got chlamydia twice in 2018. Girl, what you been doing, honey? Now that is what you call having a good time, honey. Okay, so please don't judge me because I'm clearly not judging you, but I'm gonna put a little bit of soy sauce onto my eggs. Just a dash. So good, you guys have to try it. It's like freaking delicious. I'm 19 and I like guys who are 25 to 35 years old. Girl, there's nothing wrong with that. Age is just a number, kind of, to a certain point. When I was 18, I dated someone who was 42 years old. Is he 50 now? Should we call him? Oh my god, let's call him. I haven't spoken to him in so long. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm doing this. Alexa, volume 1.
Hello? Speaking.
Hi.
Oh, hey, Julie.
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm fine. I just wanted to call to see how you were.
Oh, thanks. Let's go. Where are you these days? You self-quarantine with your lawyer?
I am self-quarantined right now, and I'm just filming a video about food and breakfast. I've been filming every single day. But hey, I have a quick question to ask you.
Okay.
How old are you?
50.
You're 50?
I turned 50, well, not recently, in May.
I dated you when I was 18, and you were 42, correct?
Something like that, I don't know. How old are you now?
I'm 27.
Holy shit, what happened? You're catching up to me.
Excuse me?
You were dating, weren't you back with the Indian guy?
No, that was done. He was a hot mess.
Did you know that the first time?
On the shade. Okay, it was like a drug-fueled like haze, and I don't remember half of the time. It was pretty toxic. But anyways, we're not gonna go there today.
Okay.
Bye. Oh my god, I can't believe I freaking did that. I'm that bitch that would like do that. Like I'm crazy. Whew, 50, what did I tell you? I'm aging, but I have a good memory, bitch. Do not come from me. All right, so here's my breakfast. I just have 3 small sausages and 2 eggs and a smoothie. But let's read a couple more. Oh my god, the tea is boiling hot. My adoptive mom took out $23,000 in disability checks as a kid. Now the government wants me to pay. Oh, bitch, no. That's good. Happy dance. Oh my goodness. You guys are not ready for this. Oh, I need a drink for this one. All right, so this girl said, masturbated in front of my sisters. I'm the horniest, but the most innocent from face. Oh my god, I knew it. It's always people who are like, oh, like innocent and quiet and reserved. Those people are the most freakiest and like scariest, I swear to God. I'm not judging, but I'm judging, girl. I have very detailed thoughts of sex. Example, I eat cum, oh, no. Oh my god, you dirty little girl. Well, this person's not a girl, but I don't think I can say that. I slept with my brother's bestie while he was sleeping next to us. Okay, I have a lot of questions. Why was everyone sleeping on the same bed? And second of all, that's hot. Oh my god, okay, someone asked earlier, what is your darkest, deepest secrets? I had sexual relations with 7 of my brother's friends. Oh my god, my older brother probably hates me because all his friends are like, ooh, that's your sister? And like, usually they like have a thing or two. But oh my god, I can't. I'm so sorry. And my little brother's friends too. Like they all have a crush on me, but like there's like an age that I don't go to. So you did not. When I was 10 years old, I skipped my cousin's funeral to play Sims. I don't know how I got food on my shirt and my pants, but it's time to do laundry now and I'm gonna go. So I'm gonna wash this face mask off now. I think it's more than 10 minutes. But I will see you guys in my next video, which is tomorrow. Yeah, maybe we'll do like a funny makeup video, or maybe I'll think of another script for you guys about the Asian mother. But yeah, hope you're staying well. I love you guys. Stay strong and shine on. Mwah! Love you.